Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Inside. Today we are talking about something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup, a perfect blend of classic American truck soul and modern engineering. This truck is designed for those who love old school charm but still want today's comfort, technology, and reliability. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 stays extremely loyal to the iconic design of the original 1950s pickup, featuring a bold rounded front and a large chrome grille with Chevrolet lettering, circular LED headlamps that keep the retro look but offer modern brightness, a sculpted hood with classic curves, wide muscular fenders, and a long, clean truck bed at the back. The chrome bumpers, steel wheels with vintage-style hubcaps, and optional two-tone paint schemes make this truck look like it came straight out of history but reborn for the future. Subtle modern touches like LED taillights, hidden cameras, and flush door handles add convenience without ruining the classic design. Moving inside the cabin, Chevrolet has done an amazing job mixing nostalgia with modern comfort. The dashboard design is inspired by the original 3100 with a horizontal layout, metal style trim, and simple shapes, but everything is updated with premium materials. You get soft touch leather seats, contrast stitching, classic style seat patterns, and plenty of legroom for both driver and passenger. The steering wheel looks vintage but includes modern controls for audio cruise and voice command. Behind it sits a digital instrument cluster styled to look like analog gauges. In the center, there is a touchscreen infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, Bluetooth, and a premium sound system. Physical knobs are retained for climate control to keep that old school feel. The cabin also offers modern features like wireless charging, USB ports, ambient lighting, automatic climate control, and smart storage spaces, making it practical for daily driving. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup offers multiple powertrain options depending on the market. The base model is expected to come with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering smooth performance and good fuel efficiency for city and highway use. For enthusiasts, Chevrolet may offer a V8 engine option, producing strong horsepower and torque, giving this truck a deep exhaust note and powerful acceleration. There is also talk of a mild hybrid or fully electric variant to meet modern emission standards. Power is sent to the rear wheels as standard with an optional all-wheel drive system. The suspension is tuned for comfort with a solid feel while still being capable for light off-road use, and hauling. Braking and steering are modernized, making the truck easy to control despite its classic size. Now talking about price, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is expected to be a premium lifestyle truck, not a budget work vehicle. The estimated starting price may be around $45,000 for the base version, while higher trims with V8 engines, luxury interiors, and advanced features could go up to $60,000 or more. Pricing will vary depending on engine options, customization packages, and regional taxes. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is not just a truck, it is an emotion, a tribute to Chevrolet history, designed for collectors, classic car lovers, and anyone who wants to stand out on the road. It delivers timeless design, modern comfort, strong performance, and a unique personality that no modern pickup can replace. If you love vintage style with modern power, this truck is definitely worth waiting for. Thank you for watching Auto Inside, and stay tuned for more amazing car stories.